Hello everyone, thanks for watching. What I have here is a Union rim cylinder. There's our bitting, so low in the front, some highs in the back. As far as I can tell, there are no security pins in this. We'll try to get it open real quick. See how we do. Everything seems to take about twice as long once the camera's rolling. Pressure and all that. See, on this one I'm not able to get a straight shot at the pins, so I'm going up through the warding channels that are drilled through the warding vertically to allow the pins to drop through. So I should probably be using a little steeper hook for the back there. Got it anyway. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Nothing special about this one, so I'm not going to bother gutting it. No security pins or anything that I could detect. But that's it. That's the Union rim cylinder. Thank you guys. Stay safe. Have a great night, and thank you for watching.